my dreams keep flying away. As somewhere far beyond, keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a change when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop.
Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Asoebi, and if you're seeing me for the very first time ever today, thank you so much for being here. On this channel, I share some tutorials and pattern drafting videos, and if all of that is what you're interested in, you definitely want to hit on the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload my next video, you'll be the first to see it. Now, in today's video, I am going to be talking all about this beautiful dress that I made. So let me show you guys right now. So this video is all about the making of this dress. Now, I have been working on this dress for the past 2 months. Literally, I have been working on the dress for over 2 months now, and I finally finished, took pictures and everything. And you guys, the reception I've gotten from when I uploaded it on Instagram has been really amazing. And I thought to come share it with you guys here because I have way more followers on YouTube than I have on Instagram. I'm very sorry, there's some kind of noise coming from outside of my window. I don't know what my neighbors are hitting. Please just pretend like you're not hearing it. I'm just hoping that it's not reflecting in the video. So like I said before, this video is all about the making of this dress. Now, for those of you who might be asking, this is a paid class. I've been making paid classes for the past almost 2 years now. And one class that has continuously been requested by students is how to make a full beaded dress, just a full dress from beginning to end. We've been seeing a lot of people doing a lot of fabric placement lately, working with transparent corset and all of that, and students have been requesting. So I finally have it here. I'm very excited it is here. So I'm going to tell you guys what this class entails. Now, in this class, I am going to be showing you guys how to go about drafting a corset. Now, the corset drafting pattern is the same, whether it is a transparent corset or not. Trust me, the drafting pattern is the same. What actually makes it transparent is the materials you're using. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you guys the different materials that you can use for making your transparent corset. I'm going to show you, like I said before, how to draft the pattern. I'm going to show you guys how to sew it in a way that the transparent corset looks transparent, but also still looks like the color of fabrics fabric, whichever color of fabric that you're working with. So if you take a close look at this, you will notice that it is transparent. The camera is not catching it. It's transparent. It has the brown transparent effect. It has that look, but also it still has the oxblood look at the top there. It's not looking just out of place from the whole dress. I'm going to show you guys how to go about that particular thing. Now, where this particular thing I'm trying to explain is usually used, you see it a lot for bridal wears. You see a bridal dress being made with a transparent corset, but you notice that the transparent part of the corset is still looking whitish. It's not just brown there. So there's a way of going about it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to go about it with this particular dress that I made. So you will learn how to draft a corset. You learn how to make a perfect cup that's not going to be pushing your breast all over the place. I'm going to show you guys how to add your bone channels, how to add your bones. In this particular one, we made use of Regeline bones. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm going to show you guys how to make a base like this one. For this dress, I used a basic base. So because this fabric that I'm using for the making of this dress was very heavily beaded, I had to do something called lace placement. And this is something I've also gotten asked a lot, how to go about lace placement. I'm going to be showing you guys this in this class. So I'm going to show you how to make the base for the dress and a basic skirt, and how to add your lace to it, to both the cup and the skirt part, how to go about adding the lace to other parts that you would like to add it to. In this class also, I'll be showing you guys how to go about adding a yoke to your corset, to your transparent corset. It is quite different from the way you add a yoke to a normal corset. So I'm going to show you guys how to go about that, and how to select a net fabric that actually fits the color of your skin. If I did not add beads to the sleeve area of this particular mesh that I used for the yoke area of this dress, you probably never even realize that there is a yoke there, and that's what a yoke is supposed to look like. So I'm going to show you guys, explain to you guys how to get that. And in the class as well, I'm going to show you guys how to drape your sleeve, how to bead on a mesh. You can see here I beaded fully on this area of the dress. So I'm going to show you guys how to go about this. I'm also going to show you guys how to go about your lace placement when you're done placing your lace, how to go about the rough edges, how to prevent it from looking rough after placing your lace since you did not sew it from inside. So I'm going to show you guys all of this. I'm going to show you how to go about the draping of the wrapper in front if you would like to have something like that on your dress. I'm going to show you how to drape a sleeve if you like to drape a sleeve. If you want to add a normal sleeve, that one is very simple. You can just totally go ahead and do that straight. So that's everything you're going to be learning in this particular class. Now the price of this class is 16,000 naira, and I think that I'm actually even doing myself here because this class deserves way more than 16,000 naira. I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Let's see how this class goes. I might increase the class next month or upper month depending on how it goes during the course of the class. But anyways, if you would like to take just the corset part of this class, I am going to be teaching that as well, just the corset part. Now if you choose to take just the corset part, please do not expect that I'm going to be teaching you beading, stoning, fabric placement and all of that. In the corset part alone, which is just the transparent corset part, I'm going to teach that for 7,000 naira. And if you like to take that part alone, if you cannot afford the full class at this moment, you can just take that class for a start, and when you're ready, we'll probably give you a discount to finish up the whole course. So if you're interested in this, do well to send us a WhatsApp message through the number displayed on the screen. It's way easier to send us a WhatsApp message. I'm also going to be leaving a direct link to my WhatsApp on the comment section here so that you guys can easily reach out. So yeah, that's basically it for this class. I know there will be a few people in the comment section saying it's too expensive. Well, it's not for everybody. If you cannot afford it, you do not have to pay for it. This is a paid class and it's not compulsory. There's so many free videos on my channel, so if you like to actually be a part of this particular class, you have to pay for it, and that is what this class is about. I have put in a lot of work. Like I said, this took me almost 2 months to finish, and you can imagine the amount of work and dedication I've put into this. So if you're interested in the class, the full class is 16,000 naira. And if you like to take only the transparent part of the class, it is 7,000 naira. So guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the comment section, and I hope to see you guys in our DMs and see you guys in class. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.